In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Termius app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on it will take you to a world of applications. This step is crucial because the Google Play Store is where you can safely download apps to ensure they are verified and secure. Once the Play Store opens, you will see a variety of apps featured on the main page. Next, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Termius Matters SSH Client. It's important to type the full name to find the correct app. As you type, you will notice suggestions appearing below the search bar. This feature helps you quickly locate apps without needing to type the entire name. Once you see Termius Nanis SSH Client in the dropdown, tap on it. This will lead you straight to the app's page where you can see more details about its features and functionality. Now look for the Install button on the app page. It will be prominently displayed, usually in a green color. Tapping this button will initiate the download and installation process. While you wait for the download to finish, you might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This is a good moment to reflect on why you chose this app. Termius is highly regarded for its user-friendly interface and robust SSH capabilities, making it a popular choice among developers and IT professionals. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button appear in place of the Install button. Tap on Open to launch the Termius app for the first time. This action will take you to the welcome screen of the application. Here you can get a glimpse of what to expect from Termius. It's designed to be intuitive, which is reassuring for new users. You might notice an overview of its features, helping you understand how to get started with SSH connections effectively. From here, the next step is to sign into your Termius account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. This is important because signing in will allow you to access your saved connections and settings across devices. However, if you prefer, you can also continue without an account. This option is great if you only want to create local SSH connections without the need for cloud features. It gives you flexibility, allowing you to explore the app without committing right away. Now that you have completed these steps, you are ready to use the Termius app. Whether you signed in or chose to proceed without an account, you can start creating SSH connections. This powerful tool allows you to manage servers and devices remotely, enhancing your productivity. Remember, the more you explore the app, the more comfortable you will become with its features. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to download the Termius app on Android. Enjoy using your new app and happy connecting!